it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you looking for cleaner air in your home? This air purifier by Aucleia will do just that. First of all, it's beautiful. Look at these super cool lights. It has tons of features that I loved exploring when I first got it. But it is also super helpful. So we had a little accident in our toaster. Somebody put something in that wasn't supposed to be in there. And as you can see, there is smoke all over our kitchen. So I thought, let's try out this new air purifier. And let me tell you, it did a great job. If you can see that red there, that means our air quality is poor because of the smoke. But this thing sucked all of that smoke straight in, and within 5 to 10 minutes, I'd say, all of that smoke was gone. There was no smoke smell. It was great. So that indicator light is very helpful. So like I said, red is bad. And as time went on, it went to yellow and then it went to blue. So I knew our air quality was back to good. So not only when you have kitchen accidents, but this has been really nice to have in our house. I feel like in winter, our air just gets stale, and I want to make sure we have nice, fresh air to breathe all winter. It also has helped reduce the amount of dust that I see in our house. One other feature I really appreciate because we have a toddler is the locking feature. So you just hold the lock key down for a little bit and you will instantly have all of this under control. When your toddler goes up there, it won't mess anything up. It has these beautiful lights, but don't worry if you're a person who doesn't want lights at night. They are all adjustable and you can turn them off. So the bottom ones you can turn off. You can even turn off the indicator light at the top. So if you want some fresh air, I highly recommend this machine.
And that's my point of view.